Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share some Easter gift ideas, especially if you are making handmade products. Here are some packaging ideas for you. First idea is an egg carton. I found these in a German web shop, but you can find similar variations on Amazon, and I left some links in the description for you to check out if you're interested. I also have other Easter gift items there for you to check out as well. First of all, I need to cut the carton because it comes in a packet of 2. And then I'm going to place the melt and pour eggs that I made. Of course, you could also make some cold process soap with an egg shape. Or I've seen even people making bath bombs. Bath bombs in the shape of an egg, also very cute idea. I like to add a ribbon that fits to the Easter theme. So anything pastel-y looking, I think it's always fitting to spring and the Easter theme. And you could also decorate it just with stickers or with a natural looking rope or some other decorations. I mean, there are no limits to imagination really. Also, I designed some labels for Easter, and if you are a member of my Buy Me a Coffee page, you have free access to these. So you can go ahead, print them out and then add them to your Easter creations. I would love to see your creations, by the way, so please let me know about it. You can also tag me on Instagram, for example. That would be very lovely. So here is the first Easter gift idea. I also made some small melt and pour soaps, like little eggs and bunnies, and let's see how we can package these up. By the way, if you are interested to see a specific video on how to make these, I will put a link in the description for you to check out. These here are little mini cake liners, and I also have a cupcake liner, and I had some Easter grass that I will place, and then let's see how it turns out. Another possibility of lining these muffin trays here, or how you want to call it, is with tissue paper. That's another possibility. You can really get very creative with these packaging ideas. So let's see how we can add these little soaps to it now. I think it looks really cute. And at this point you can put your mini gift baskets in a cellophane bag or even shrink wrap it. That's really important so the melt and pour doesn't attract moisture from the air. I recently found these cute gift baskets in a local shop. I will also leave a link if you want to see this shopping tour here on the right hand corner for you to check out. And then they had some nice tissue papers going with it. So let's see what we can do with it. I think tissue paper really makes a difference in a gift basket. It elevates the look immediately. Here is the little Easter gift basket that I shrink wrapped, and I will add these here to the box. Here is a spring themed soap as well, and then it comes with some little perforation here so you can add a ribbon, and then you already have your cute basket. I also left some similar variations that I found on Amazon in the description down below. Different kinds of Easter possibility gift boxes, so you can go ahead and see if you can get inspired over there. Here we go. Very simple and very cute. There are also some basket type of gift box for bigger gifts. And then again, with the tissue paper, you could also add grass to it, of course. And then when you added your products, put everything in a cellophane bag, make like a cute ribbon with it and so forth. It would also be a good possibility. You could also add some Easter egg chocolate. I mean, here where I live in Switzerland, chocolate is really a speciality, and there is a lot of chocolate being sold on Easter, of course. Have you ever tried Swiss chocolate? And what kind of treats do you use for Easter? I would like to know about what your traditions are. Like, for example, are you going to search for some Easter eggs as well on Easter morning? Please let me know in the comment section. So here is another gift basket idea. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are interested in soap making videos or skincare DIYs. I have very interesting projects coming up very soon, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!